After you have taken off the exhaust system, the chain guard, the battery, the Kickstarter and the Kickstarter stop, you can start now with the installation. Don't forget the grease nipple to take that off the Kickstarter stud. Okay. Place the hollow axle with the mounting plate over the original Kickstarter stud. Okay. Bolt on these two mounting nuts tightly. The negative wiring leads to the upper mounting screw. Okay. Make sure your chain lines up with the housing straight. Okay. Okay. The clutch bearing inner support can be fixed now to the transmission main shaft. If the clutch bearing is mounted correctly, you can only turn the gear counterclockwise now. It will not turn clockwise. Slide over the front gear with the clutch bearing. Make sure the white cage shoulders face outside of the housing. Slide in the starter motor from the back side and tighten the two mounting bolts. Okay. Now place the intermediate gear and don't forget some grease. Now you can close the gear housing cover with its 10 screws. Now place the end cap. Now place the kicker ratchet over its inner support. Ich kann es dann nachher auch wegschneiden lassen. Geht. Place the Kickstarter lever over its shaft and secure it with the snap ring. Place the return spring and preload the lever counterclockwise one turn. Finally, place the Kickstarter stop to hold the lever in place.